Running into errors while generating voices in ElevenLabs. Whether the audio won't generate, the process gets stuck, or you're seeing unexpected error messages, there are several fixes you can try. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix ElevenLabs voice generation errors in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Voice generation happens on ElevenLabs servers, so a weak or interrupted connection can cause requests to fail. Next, refresh the ElevenLabs page and attempt the generation again. Sometimes temporary glitches can be resolved with a simple reload. If you're generating a very long script, try breaking it into smaller sections. Large amounts of text can occasionally cause processing issues or timeouts. Review your account usage and subscription limits. Some plans have restrictions on character usage, generation credits, or advanced features. Browser-related issues can sometimes interfere with generation. Clear your browser cache, disable unnecessary extensions, or test ElevenLabs in a different browser. If the problem continues, check whether ElevenLabs is experiencing platform-wide issues. Temporary outages or maintenance periods can affect voice generation. If none of these solutions work, contact ElevenLabs support and provide details about the error message you're seeing. This can help them identify and resolve the issue more quickly, and that's how to fix ElevenLabs voice generation errors. In most cases, checking your connection, reducing script size, or reviewing account limits will solve the problem. So yeah, try these troubleshooting steps, and you should be back to generating voiceovers in no time. Thanks for watching.